Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a gift basket with a budget of $30. The theme of my basket today is for a baby shower that I'm going to. She is having a boy, so all the little items that you're going to see me fill out my basket with is for her baby shower today. I went to several stores to get the things to fill in my basket. I went to Burlington, Target, Five Below, and the Dollar Tree. From Five Below I didn't buy anything because there wasn't any items that I can use for this specific basket, so I just went to the other stores. I went to several stores, but to me they were all next to each other, so I would just go from one to another to another. The first tip that I give everyone that is trying to create a basket is get a large item. When you get a large item, it's going to fill almost the entire basket, but it's going to leave you gaps where you will have to find little things to fill in those gaps with. Second tip I give is go through the aisles. It depends on what theme of basket you're creating. If you're creating a kids basket, go through all the toy aisles, look at the prices, try to get the best price that you can, the cheapest things, and then go through the clothing area, go through the arts and crafts. Just go through the aisles and look at stuff and look at the prices. That's how you're going to end up finding good deals, because sometimes the good deals are hiding. So that's the second tip I give. The third tip that I give is go through the clearance section. Clearance section doesn't mean that you're cheap. It's just there's great stuff for less value. Sometimes they're just changing the things, like they're changing the toys or they're changing their clothes and they can't sell it, so they just put it on clearance. So I suggest for going through the clearance at all the time when you're buying a gift basket for someone. Doesn't matter if it's a kid and adult, they always have clearance for both people. So I suggest you guys go through the clearance section and try to pull as many things as you can that you think are cute and that the person might like. The first thing I get when doing my gift basket, it's the items that are actually going to be inside. I leave the basket to last because I don't know how many items I'm going to have. So once I have the items, then I go search for the basket and I put the items inside and make sure that they're actually going to fit. So these are the things that I bought. I bought this towel at Burlington for $3.99. And then I bought this little cute outfit. It's so adorable. It was $4.99. Also at Burlington. It says let's cuddle. This one is great because it has buttons all the way down, so whenever she has to change the baby, she can just snap the little buttons. And then it also has little sheep on the back. And for the large item, I decided to go with this blanket. I also got it at Burlington for $6.99. It says dream big, little one. At Target, I got this baby shampoo. This one says newborn wash and shampoo. So since the baby's gonna be a newborn, I thought it would be great for her to get her this one. This one was either $5.99 or $6.99. And then I also grabbed some baby wipes. These were $1.49. And I also got some hand sanitizing wipes. These ones were $1. And these are great just in case she wants to clean her hands real quick before touching the baby. She can use this one. And for the basket itself, I ended up getting this one. It's just a gray color. It says Things. It was a perfect size. It was $3.99, which I thought it was a really good price for this size of basket. At the Dollar Tree, I just went to go get some tissue so that I can use there's two colors right here to put it inside my basket. Like I'm gonna crumble it up and stick it in there so that it can lift the items up. Before you start your basket, what you want to do is take all the prices of your items. After you're done with that, you want to get your tissue, pick the colors that you want. I went with this blue and green. You want to crumble them up and put them in the basket. You want to do that because it's going to give you a base and it's going to make your items be lifted instead of sinking in. Once you have that done, you want to start rearranging the items that you got in the basket. You want to be doing that until you see the basket come together. Let me show you what I mean with the tissue. You see how the items are lifted and not sinking in. What if I didn't have the tissue? And that's how the soap would look. And you see how the tissue gives it a little bit more lift? That's what you want, and that way when she gets the basket, she's able to see all the little items that you put in there. For the outfit, what I like to do is I like to roll it. So I put it in half, then I put the little hands in here, and then I roll it as tight as I can. Right now it's hard with one hand, so I'm gonna fix that because I need something to put in this little corner. And this is how my basket looks like. I think it came out really beautiful. I like it. So yeah, guys, hope you guys like this video. I love making things like this. I love people's birthdays. I love making baskets. I know a lot of people like going an easier way, like getting a gift card or something, which I do sometimes, but I do love making this type of baskets. So I hope you guys use some of the tips that I gave next time that you try to create a gift basket. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.